Here's a powerful Power Query trick to turn messy white data into clean, usable format that is suitable for further data analysis. Alright, sometimes the data comes in format like this, where the month is across the column. And this kind of format looks okay in the eye, but it's actually not ideal for pivot table and Power BI for further analysis. To fix this, I need the month to be in one single column. So now let's import this data into the Power Query. Go to Data, from Table or Range. Inside the Power Query editor, select the column that is fixed or the one that you want to keep, which in this example is the product column. Right-click the column and then click on Unpivot other columns. And now I got the month in one single column and the value in another column. And now I can just rename this column. And I can close and load. And now this kind of structured data is suitable for further analysis, like I can insert a pivot table. And now I can do some report or analysis that I need. Alright, definitely try it out, and if you find this tutorial useful, make sure to follow me and I'll see you next time. Bye.